Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Study and Storyline, your go-to channel for education, creativity, and inspiration. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and content. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you the third tutorial in our Canva series. We've already explored some amazing features of Canva in our previous videos, and this time, we're diving into one of the most versatile and impactful design tools, infographics. Infographics are everywhere in today's digital world. They help us break down complex ideas into simple, visually appealing formats. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a professional, or even a content creator, mastering infographics is a skill that can take your communication to the next level. But before we jump into how to create stunning infographics on Canva, let's take a moment to understand their fascinating history, how they've evolved over time, and why they are so powerful in modern communication. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover the story of infographics together. And, of course, don't miss the step-by-step demo in this video. Let's start by exploring the history of infographics, a journey that dates back thousands of years. Infographics have always been a part of how we humans share information visually. In ancient times, people communicated their ideas and stories through cave paintings, some of which date back to around 30,000 BCE. These paintings used simple symbols and visuals to depict hunting scenes, rituals, and daily life. Then came the hieroglyphics of ancient Egypt, a sophisticated combination of symbols and images used to tell stories, record history, and document religious practices. Around the same time, early civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, began creating maps and charts to document territories and explain astronomical phenomena. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we meet William Playfair, the man credited with creating modern statistical graphics. He gave us tools like bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs, which are still essential in data visualization today. Another notable figure is Florence Nightingale, who used infographics in the 19th century to push for healthcare reforms. Her diagrams clearly showed the causes of death in the Crimean War, highlighting preventable deaths and influencing government policies. The rise of newspapers and magazines in the 20th century brought infographics to the public eye as they became a go-to method for presenting data, maps, and timelines in an easy-to-digest format. Today, infographics are everywhere, on websites, in classrooms, in marketing campaigns, and across social media. From educational platforms to corporate boardrooms, infographics have become indispensable tools for visual storytelling. Whether it's a teacher explaining a complex theory to students or a marketer highlighting the success of a recent campaign, the power of infographics lies in their ability to communicate clearly, quickly, and memorably. In the digital era, infographics are essential for communicating complex information in a way that is both engaging and easy to understand. We live in a world inundated with information. Whether it's data-heavy reports, research findings, or trends, the sheer volume of information can often overwhelm audiences. Infographics solve this problem by transforming data into visually appealing narratives that capture attention and hold interest. They are particularly effective in the modern age, where the average attention span is shrinking and people prefer bite-sized, visually rich content over lengthy text-based materials. Why infographics are so powerful. 1. They're visually appealing. Infographics leverage colors, typography, and layouts to make information visually striking. With well-designed visuals, they can instantly grab attention, standing out in a sea of bland text. Think about scrolling through your social media feed. What stops you? Often, it's an eye-catching graphic. Infographics use carefully chosen colors and graphics to draw in viewers and keep them engaged. Moreover, platforms like Canva have made it easier for anyone, even without design experience, to create professional-grade visuals. By combining compelling design with clear messaging, infographics strike the perfect balance between form and function. 2. They simplify complex ideas. A well-crafted infographic can take even the most intricate concepts and make them accessible to a wider audience. For instance, topics like climate change, artificial intelligence, or gut health can seem overwhelming when presented in lengthy reports. However, breaking these subjects down into charts, diagrams, and icons makes the information digestible and relatable. Visual metaphors, such as comparing a balanced diet to a rainbow or representing the human brain as a network, help to simplify ideas further. This ability to distill complexity into clarity is why educators, scientists, and policymakers often rely on infographics. 3. They improve retention. Studies show that people retain 65% of information when it is paired with visuals, compared to only 10% from plain text. This is because the human brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster than text. Infographics tap into this innate ability, combining visuals with concise text to ensure that the message sticks. Imagine attending a workshop or webinar. Would you rather see a long list of statistics or a visually appealing pie chart that summarizes key insights? Infographics not only make data easier to understand, but also ensure that viewers walk away with the key takeaways etched in their memory. 4. They drive engagement. On social media, where competition for attention is fierce, infographics have emerged as one of the most shareable content formats. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn are filled with infographics that provide value to audiences, whether it's quick tips, industry trends, or inspiring quotes. For example, brands often use infographics to create top 10 lists, how-to guides, or fun facts that encourage likes, shares, and comments. This boosts visibility, helping brands reach wider audiences and establish authority in their fields. 5. They're adaptable and versatile. One of the greatest strengths of infographics is their adaptability. They can be used in marketing for showcasing statistics, achievements, or customer testimonials. Education, as teaching aids to explain complex lessons or concepts. Business, for presenting quarterly reports, strategies, or team achievements. Healthcare, to raise awareness about medical conditions or promote healthy lifestyles. Infographics can be embedded in websites, shared on social media, included in presentations, or even printed for physical distribution. Their ability to adapt to different contexts makes them a go-to choice for communicators in nearly every field. The evolution of infographics. While infographics are thriving in the modern digital world, their roots go back centuries. Early forms of visual storytelling can be traced to cave paintings, where humans used symbols to convey stories and messages. Over time, maps, charts, and diagrams emerged as tools for organizing and presenting information visually. In the 19th century, pioneers like Florence Nightingale and Charles Joseph Menard revolutionized data visualization by using infographics to represent statistical information effectively. Nightingale, for example, used innovative charts to highlight the causes of mortality in military hospitals, paving the way for reforms in healthcare. Fast forward to today, and technological advancements have made infographics more sophisticated and accessible than ever. Tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and Pictochart empower users to create stunning visuals without needing advanced graphic design skills. The integration of animation, interactivity, and data-driven visuals has further expanded the scope and impact of infographics in the digital age. Infographics aren't just for social media, they have a wide range of applications. Education. Teachers and educators use infographics to create visual lesson plans, explain scientific concepts, and present timelines of historical events. Marketing. Brands leverage infographics to share statistics, promote their products, and connect with their audience in visually engaging ways. Healthcare. Infographics are widely used in hospitals, clinics, and public health campaigns to explain medical information and promote healthy habits. Corporate presentations. businesses rely on infographics for reports, strategy discussions, and training sessions. So, whether you're a student presenting a project or a marketer launching a campaign, infographics are your secret weapon. As technology advances, the role of infographics continues to evolve. Today, interactive infographics, where users can click, scroll, or hover for more details, are gaining popularity. These dynamic visuals create an engaging experience, especially on websites and apps. Furthermore, with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, tools, creating infographics is becoming even more accessible, enabling individuals and businesses to design data-rich, visually compelling graphics with minimal effort. In an age where attention spans are limited, infographics are not just a communication tool, they are a necessity. Their ability to convey information quickly, memorably, and effectively makes them one of the most versatile tools in the modern communicator's toolkit. So, whether you're a student presenting a project, a healthcare worker educating patients, or a marketer launching a campaign, infographics are your secret weapon to captivate and inform your audience. As you continue exploring Canva or any other design platform, remember that the power of infographics lies in their ability to transform information into visual stories that resonate with people. Certainly, here's an additional paragraph to enhance your content. Beyond their traditional applications, infographics are also revolutionizing personal branding and content creation. Influencers, bloggers, and content creators use infographics to simplify complex topics, share insights, and engage their audiences on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. With the growing demand for digestible and visually rich content, infographics serve as an effective way to boost online presence, increase shareability, and establish authority in any niche. Whether you're a business professional, an educator, or a digital creator, leveraging infographics can enhance the way you communicate ideas and make a lasting impact on your audience. In conclusion, infographics are more than just visually appealing designs. They are powerful tools that simplify information, capture attention, and enhance communication. Whether in education, marketing, healthcare, or business, they help convey messages effectively in a world where people prefer quick and engaging content. Their ability to turn complex data into clear, digestible visuals makes them an essential asset for anyone looking to inform, persuade, or inspire. As technology continues to evolve, infographics are becoming even more dynamic with AI-powered tools and interactive features. With platforms like Canva making design accessible to everyone, creating impactful infographics has never been easier. So, embrace the power of visual storytelling, experiment with creative ideas, and let your infographics leave a lasting impression on your audience. As we move further into a visually driven digital era, infographics will continue to shape the way we consume and share information. Whether you're simplifying data, telling a story, or making an impact in your industry, infographics offer an innovative and engaging way to communicate effectively. So, embrace their potential, experiment with creative designs, and let your visuals speak louder than words. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Study and Storyline for more creative and educational content.